Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, when people messed with the wrong cops, we're diving into real dashcam moments where bad choices meet instant consequences. Let's get started.
Tire lost her tire, pit.
A seemingly simple shoplifting incident at a Dillard's store suddenly escalated into a tense chase. When officers approached, the suspect bared, immediately dropped the stolen items and ran into the parking lot. Her friend was already waiting in a car and quickly helped her flee. But escaping the law is never easy. The pair were arrested shortly after.
On the ground.
I didn't do nothing. Hey, my car is rolling, sir.
You need a bird there.
I'm right here. I didn't take anything yet. I didn't take anything, sir.
After locating the suspect who had been threatening others with a weapon, officers ordered Guzman to put his hands on his head and surrender. However, as they moved in to arrest him, Guzman suddenly pulled out a knife, turning the situation extremely dangerous. Impulsive actions like that never lead to good outcomes.
Relax. Get your ambulance in there. Hold on. I'll turn you right now. Hold on.
Riverside police responded to a report about a man acting violently and assaulting his wife. The suspect, Palacat, suddenly appeared holding a knife. Despite commands to drop the weapon, he ignored them and continued walking straight toward the officers. The situation became so serious that police were forced to use strong measures to stop him. A routine traffic stop in Edmond quickly turned chaotic when Ocean Hudson, who had an active warrant, suddenly sprayed pepper spray, attacked Officer Hotham and tried to grab his gun. Hotham fought to restrain him until help arrived to secure the knife, and responding officers used a taser to subdue Hudson. Challenging the law has never ended in anyone's favor. A sudden act of violence at a West Bloomfield gym escalated into a chaotic high-speed chase. Even after Jeho rammed multiple patrol cars and was forced to stop, he continued resisting inside the vehicle. Officers had no choice but to deploy a taser to subdue and arrest him. Resisting the law doesn't make you stronger, it only makes the consequences worse. Security officers at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport faced a bizarre yet dangerous situation after receiving a report about a man carrying a 12-inch dagger inside the terminal. When officers approached and tried to speak with him, the man suddenly stood up, ignored commands to stop, and pulled out another knife. Things quickly became chaotic, but within minutes, officers had him safely under control. Johnson was accused of speeding, and officers arrived to ask him to step outside. Instead of cooperating, he ran into his house and barricaded himself inside. Police were forced to use stronger tactics, deploying a taser to subdue and arrest Johnson right in his home. Resisting is never a wise choice.
Elijah, come on in here so we can talk to you for a minute.
No, I'm not coming out there. This is my home.
Okay, well, we need to issue the citation, so
That's fine.
can you give this officer a chance to... So we have two options, okay?
Okay.
So, it's up to you.
I said he can give me the citation
Okay,
already.
well then come on out here so he can finish this up.
You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come out here to finish this. That's fine, you're more than welcome to.
You have no right to come in here for a speeding ticket.
Okay. Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door, you're under arrest.
Out of my house.
No! How do you do that? No!
Because he's under arrest.
Not under arrest, Daddy! Stop! My daughter is here! No! 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 My daughter is here!
Under there! On the ground! Stop resisting, you're gonna get tased again.
Let me help!
Stop resisting, or you're gonna get tased again.
Police responded to an emergency call. As they approached the house, the suspect suddenly appeared holding a weapon and charged at the closest officer. Even after being ordered to drop it, Hill kept aggressively advancing, forcing officers to open fire to stop the threat. One wrong decision, and the price was immediate. Orange County deputies arrived after an emergency call. While negotiating with the suspect, he suddenly rushed forward with a knife, making the situation critical. And for those who attack and challenge the law, the outcome is always the same.
TJ, it's the sheriff's office. Come on out and talk to us, buddy. Got no trouble. TJ, we just want to talk to you. What's up? Drop that fucking head. Burgers, you okay? Burgers, you okay?
It's hard to believe this suspect tried to escape police twice in one afternoon. After being arrested for driving a stolen car, he fled during a high-speed chase and was subdued with a taser. But later at the hospital, still handcuffed, he pretended to have an ankle injury, then jumped out of the wheelchair and ran. Eventually, Gregory was found hiding in a garage with the handcuffs still on. No matter how well you hide, the law will still find you. Arrogance toward the police comes with a heavy price. She will likely regret that behavior very soon.
Hey, stop touching the deputy.
She really believed yelling and resisting would make the police back down. No matter how much she screamed or fought, she couldn't escape the consequences. It only made everything far worse.
Stop resisting,
When people mess with the wrong cops, consequences come fast. What do you think was the most shocking moment? Which case surprised you the most? Tell us before you go.